What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So breaking news. Diddy has been arrested and taken into custody in connections with alleged sex trafficking investigation. Okay, now this got social media all in a frenzy. Everybody is talking about it. It is on fire with hashtag Diddy right now. But it says a year ago Diddy was promoting his album. Today he's indicted by the feds. Life comes at you fast. And then someone else says Diddy being arrested on the same week that Tupac passed away 28 years ago. Look at God showing out. And this person says don't cast judgment on Diddy until evidence comes out that he's doing said allegations. That should be common sense. All right. And this last one I thought was funny. It says R. Kelly watching Diddy walk into the prison yard. A mess. Now Diddy is facing some serious charges. One is racketeering, which is life in prison. 2 is sex trafficking, maximum life in prison, minimum 15 years. 3 is transportation for prostitution, maximum 10 years in prison. Okay, along with him allegedly using his business to cover up his crimes, which is engaging in kidnapping, arson, bribery, and more. Now you guys can pause the video, read this for yourself. Okay, it is giving a breakdown of Diddy's charges, and like I said, they're serious. These are some serious charges that he has against him. But if you do the crime, you got to do the time. And if he is innocent, I hope that he gets out free. Okay. Now, Diddy is trying to fight to make bail. He is arguing that he is not a flight risk. He is begging the judge to release him on a $50 million bond, as well as he had all of his children turn over their passports, including his 1-year-old daughter. Okay. Now, I'm guessing that is because Sean Diddy Combs' son, Christian Combs, is also being added into the lawsuit. He's being accused of sexual assault. So they're like, hey, give up the passports, okay? Give up the passports. Let them know that we aren't going anywhere. Now, in this bond, Diddy has his mother, his sister, the mother of his oldest daughter, and 3 sons all co-signed for him, as well as he is putting up his $48 million mansion. He is giving up all of the passports, having all of his traveling restricted. I mean, he is doing any and everything he can for the judge to grant him bond. Now, Diddy's mansion that is in Miami that he is putting up for collateral, Diddy recently paid it off, an $18 million mortgage last month. So I feel like Diddy knew that this was coming. Okay, I feel like he knew this was coming. He's been outside lately. He's just been enjoying life. And I just feel like he knew that something was coming to get him. Okay, because he was really preparing for it. Now, the feds, they do not want Diddy to be released out on bail. The U.S. Attorney Damon Williams says his office believes he is a flight risk and is also a danger to society, as he's allegedly resorted to violence against multiple victims. Okay, now Diddy did plead not guilty to the racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking charges, and Diddy's lawyer is working overtime for Diddy to be let out on bond. Okay, he's saying Diddy is innocent. He is not a threat to society. He brought himself in without any trouble, and he is going to be a good citizen if he is let out on bond. But the judge denied it. Okay, with all that being said, the judge denied bail, and P. Diddy will have to remain in custody until his trial, and no telling how long that will be. Now, if I could take a guess, I would say the judge denied Diddy's bond due to him allegedly tampering with the witness. He contacted Dirty Money bandmate Kalenna Harper 54 times in one day after Dawn Richards filed a lawsuit against Diddy. She alleges that Diddy once punched Cassie in the stomach at a dinner with Usher, Neo, and other high-profile guests around. She is also accusing Diddy of A, okay? And she says that Diddy once threatened to unalive her after she told Cassie she should leave Diddy after witnessing Diddy allegedly abuse Cassie and Kim Porter. Now, Kalenna posted a message and she says her experience is not Dawn's experience and she has not witnessed Diddy do anything physical to anyone, and she always kept it professional when she was around Diddy, and so did he. But she posted this message after she was allegedly contacted by Diddy's camp 54 times. Okay, so now we all see why the judge has denied Diddy's bond. He is allegedly installing fear into the witness, but Diddy's lawyer is coming to his defense, and he says that he is planning on appealing the judge's decision to deny bond. He says his client is innocent and is not a flight risk.
A detention memo that was filed by federal prosecutors that really sort of bolsters their case for why they want to keep him behind bars. Remember, he was arrested last night. It was a surprise for him at a hotel. And now they're telling a federal judge they actually want to keep him behind bars pending an eventual trial. And the reasons they outlined here, Chris, are as follows. Number one, dangerousness. They're pointing to the AR style rifles that were found in his home that we saw pictures of earlier today at that press conference. They're also pointing to obstruction of justice. These are statutory reasons. They're saying this is a person who was trying to coordinate with witnesses to try to keep their story under wraps. And finally, they're pointing to his vast wealth, Chris. They're talking about the fact that he has so much money and a plane and obviously limitless resources. And so that makes him a risk of flight. Those are the main reasons that they're trying to keep him
Listen, one thing I can say, Diddy's children have been showing him so much support, regardless of what the media and the rumors and video evidence have been showing of their father, okay? But back in March, Diddy's home got raided and authorities seized narcotics and more than 1,000 bottles of baby oil and lubricant from Diddy's residence. Now, that got a lot of people talking and making memes. 50 posted, "Here I am keeping good company with Drew Barrymore and I don't have 1,000 bottles of lube at the house." A mess. A mess. One thing 50 Cent is gonna do is troll Diddy at any given moment and chance he gets. Now, someone else says, not gonna lie, there was definitely a baby oil shortage. That ish was hard to come by. Now we MFing know.
I executed search warrants at Combs' residences in Miami and Los Angeles. They also executed a warrant for Combs' electronic devices. During those searches, agents seized evidence of the crimes charged in this indictment. They seized firearms and ammunition, including 3 defaced AR-15s and a large capacity drum magazine. They also seized evidence of the freak-offs, electronic devices that contain images and videos of the freak-offs with multiple victims. And they seized cases of the kinds of personal lubricant and baby oil that Combs' staff allegedly used to stock hotel rooms for the freak-offs, more than 1,000 bottles altogether. Here are some of the items that we recovered during the searches.
Now, before Diddy was arrested on federal charges, he was seen out in Central Park, hanging out with his family, acting like a regular person, not even like a celebrity. And that is why I say Diddy knew what was coming to him, okay? He knew that he was going to be arrested soon. I haven't seen Diddy out in public, hanging out with fans ever. Okay, ever. Now Diddy has been seen out lately everywhere, just acting like a normal person. Here he is right here in New York, dapping it up with fans. And I was just thinking, who is this new person? I have never seen Diddy out this much. But like I said, he knew that those charges was going to come against him. Okay, but y'all leave y'all comments down below. Make sure y'all click that subscribe button. Support. And let me know what y'all think about Diddy being arrested. And your girl is out. Bye, y'all.